Hello friends, welcome to the PK tutorial. For your better experience, please subscribe the PK tutorial and press the bell icon for upcoming video notification. If you have any doubt, ask me on Instagram. Hi friend, in this video we will discuss about how to get gender wise count, how to get city wise count and how to get month wise count. So this is our data frame gender wise count, this is our data frame month wise count and this is our data frame city wise count. Then how can we get this? So this is our code of that how can we get this data frame. Firstly we run the Dplyr package. After then df city wise count, df is our data frame, group by on city. After then summarize the data and column name equal to n is count of city. df gender wise count, df is our data frame, group by on gender. After then summarize, this is our column name. Same for month wise count. So we will run one by one. So we will get gender wise count, month wise count and city wise count. I hope you understand it that how can we get this. Please subscribe the PK tutorial for latest update. Thank you very much. Keep watching.